Hi and welcome to another video by me, FlowJoe. Today we are going to be looking at the min function on PowerAutomate. So we're going to start with the int example. What we're going to do is we're going to create two variables, user1 age and user2 age. We're going to assign integers to that. So for user1 age we've got 28 and user2 age we've got 33. Then if we pass both of these into a min function, what it's going to do is it's going to return the lowest number. It's going to return the minimum number. What that then will do is return 28, as it's the lowest number out of 28 and 33. So if we go into an array example, if we create an array variable with the numbers 10, 5, 2 and 6, and we pass the array into the min function as well, what that's going to do is it's going to take the minimum number within the array. In our instance, it's going to be 2. So let's take a look at how this functions on PowerAutomate. Okay, so we're on PowerAutomate and I have a manual trigger for our flow. I'm then going to set user2 age to 33 and I'm going to set user1 age to 28. These are both variables and they are of integer type. And what I'm going to then do is use a compose to use our min function, and I'm going to pass both of these variables in. I'm going to firstly pass in user age 1, then I'm going to pass in user age 2. Now this function will be in the description of the video if you need to have a look at it further, but effectively we're expecting 28 to come back. So then what we're going to do is we're going to create an array. We're going to create an array of the numbers 10, 5, 2 and 6, and the array name is called numbers. Then what we're going to do is use another compose and another min function and simply pass that array in. We're going to then expect 2 to be brought back. So let's kick this flow off and have a look at what we get back. Okay, so the flow ran successfully. Our integers were assigned, and in our first min function we got 28 back. So 28 is less than 33, so the minimum. Great. And then we've created our array of 10, 5, 2 and 6, and we've passed that array into the min function, and it's taken the lowest value, which was 2, and returned that to us. And that is how you use the min function on PowerAutomate. That's it from me, FlowJoe. Check out my blog at flowjoe.io for more guides on the Power Platform, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.